There's another O in Vatican.
Hello. We will show now beer labeling at home.
You take a piece
Claudia?
of A4 paper.
Yeah.
You then print out your label. Carefully upon a piece of used cardboard, you start cutting out the label. Be careful with the O's. Accidents
Especially.
do happen.
Let's check Cesar.
Is he cleaning your feet? Why?
Who is cleaning?
More pee.
More pee. It was a short video how to label beers. Hopefully it will help you. Thank you.
That was